In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT search to find up-to-date information on the web. Let's get started. I begin on the ChatGPT home screen and move my cursor over to the plus icon inside the search bar. I click it to reveal a pop-up menu with several options. From this list, I navigate down and select Web Search. This action opens a specialized search layout within the main box. Now, I click inside the dedicated text area and type out my question. What are the current highest-paying freelance skills in 2026 for beginners? After entering the query, I click the black arrow button on the right to send the request. ChatGPT instantly acknowledges the prompt and displays an on-screen status message stating that it is searching the web. Within a few moments, the interface refreshes as the AI starts generating its detailed response. It formats the gathered data into an organized introductory paragraph, followed immediately by a clean, easy-to-read table titled, Top Freelance Skills for Beginners in 2026. I slowly scroll down the page to review the table, which categorizes various skills along with their corresponding beginner difficulty, income potential, and demand levels. As I continue scrolling down, the tool populates the response with a deeper analysis, outlining distinct headings for different career fields such as AI automation, cybersecurity, and data analysis. For each section, the output provides structured bullet points detailing specific jobs, hourly rate estimates, and market trends. Moving further down the response, I notice highlighted footnote links embedded next to certain pieces of text. I hover my mouse cursor over one of these sources, which expands a small window displaying the publisher's name, article headline, and publication date, verifying the source of the data. I continue to scroll steadily through additional sections detailing AI-powered video editing, full-stack web development, and essential productivity tools to absorb the comprehensive breakdown. Finally, I reach the end of the long-form response, where ChatGPT concludes with a summary list of recommended tools for beginners and presents the helpfulness feedback options. Using the built-in web search feature makes it incredibly simple to pull structured, real-time data directly into your conversations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.